Welcome to our RAM Showdown. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful DDR5 memory kits, the Corsair Vengeance RGB and the Crucial Pro. Both of these RAM kits promise high performance and reliability. But which one truly stands out? Let's explore their features, performance, and value for money to find out which is the best choice for gamers and PC builders alike. Both the Corsair Vengeance and Crucial Pro RAM kits boast impressive specifications with a speed of 6000 MHz and a latency of CL36. This means they are both designed to deliver fast data transfer rates, making them ideal for high-performance gaming and multitasking. However, the Corsair Vengeance features customizable RGB lighting, which not only enhances aesthetics, but can also be synchronized with other components for a cohesive look. On the other hand, the Crucial Pro emphasizes its compatibility with both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, making it a versatile choice for various system builds. When it comes to aesthetics, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM truly shines with its vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized to match your build's theme. The sleek black design of the modules adds a modern touch to any setup. In contrast, the Crucial Pro RAM features a more understated design, focusing on functionality over flashiness. While it may lack RGB lighting, its clean black finish is perfect for users who prefer a minimalist look without compromising performance. In terms of pricing, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM is priced at $156, while the Crucial Pro RAM comes in at a more budget-friendly $131. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a high-performance upgrade without breaking the bank. Both options offer excellent performance, but the Crucial Pro provides a more economical choice for those who want to maximize their value. In conclusion, both the Corsair Vengeance RGB and Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM kits offer excellent performance and reliability. If you prioritize aesthetics and RGB customization, the Corsairs may be the better choice for you. However, if you're looking for a high-performance RAM kit at a lower price point, the Crucial Pro is a fantastic option. Whichever you choose, both will enhance your gaming experience significantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.